MVP assembly pointers. So here we have the DB9 socket. Now that just goes straight up against the stainless steel with the two screw fasteners in underneath. So they screw it in through the corresponding holes there. The key switch, which is labelled there, we have the on to the up and the off out to the left. So the key switch just goes through the slot and is done up there. Tightening that up, there's a bit of an art to it without actually over tightening it and damaging the switch, so it's just nipping it up so it doesn't pivot on the when you use the key. The other one is the antenna up in there. There is a little trick to that, and that outer ring ends up being flush with the inner thread. So that inner thread actually generally protrudes down and has to be cut flush. So the easiest way is just to mount it through the top, put the nut, collar, everything in place to fit it, and then use a black pen just to mark the thread that hangs down, and then unscrew everything and cut carefully off at that black mark. So when you reassemble, everything's flush there. One point up in under here, there's an inner seal ring. I've put a smear of RTV around that inner seal ring just to water tighten that.